Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to show specific date on Google Data Studio, or which is now called Looker Studio. So one way is this one right here by having a date range control properties. Okay, I'll show you how to set this up. So I just want you to come here to the top panel, click on Add a Control, and select this option, Date Range Control. Then you can add it anywhere in your report. Let's just add it here for example purposes. And the filter here under setup, as you can see, it is auto date range. You can set your own date. You can literally choose your own specific date. This would go under fixed, okay? And you can apply that, and it would change accordingly from those dates, right? You can also do very specific ones, let's say a quarter or a whole year. Click on apply, and it would adjust accordingly. But let me go ahead and delete this, right? And I'll show you how to use it in charts. So I come here on my page I have for charts. So come here, click on add a chart. And let's say I want to create a time series chart. Okay, to show a glimpse of our choices here, I have different options. Let me select this one, and let's add it right here by clicking there. Now here under setup, we can scroll down, right? And if I scroll down, you see this option, default date range filter. Auto will be the last 28 days. It will exclude today, but we can set a custom one. Just toggle on custom, and you can come here and select specific dates. Or let's say I would like it to be this year, okay? So you'll see my chart changing, and it would show this year once I click on apply, and there you go. Everything for this year. And I want to show you something else. So let's say we do fixed, okay? Or we can do for this month. We can go ahead and include this specific day as well in our auto. But there we go. I have changed it, and it's really that easy and simple.